Hey, Chuck Nation, guess what time it is? It's giveaway time. So first off, thank you so much to everybody that followed the giveaway rules and entered the giveaway. I am so excited to be giving away these two mini Shein hauls to two lucky subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. I am almost at 700 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel and always showing my channel love. I appreciate you all, and this is why I'm going to continue to do a giveaway with every 100 subscribers that I gain. And the giveaways are going to get bigger and better each time, so make sure you guys stay locked in with me. I'm locked in with you guys, and I'm so excited for this giveaway. Shaking it up, shaking it up. Let's see who is the first winner. Mackenzie! Yes! Congratulations, Mackenzie. You got your Shein haul coming, girl. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And the second winner is Naturalist 2876. Yes! Congratulations. You are the second winner of the giveaway. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and showing my channel love. I appreciate you guys so much. And once again, thank you to all my subscribers. I love and appreciate you all. If I could give away something to every last one of y'all, I would. I appreciate you all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.